So we've got here a 3-bedroom detached barn conversion with a beautiful garden in a very peaceful setting in the heart of Laneast with outstanding far-reaching views over the River Inny. Let's go and have a look and explore what this property has to offer. So for more information on this property behind me, please don't hesitate to contact Weathers on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.